Ask the experts. 1. Recently I have graduated in software engineering. I was not skilled throughout my university life in any specific domain. Now I have been recommended by one of my friends to pursue masters. So, which factors should I consider while choosing a specialization within my career? Answer: Dear, choosing a specialization for your master's degree may involve several factors that you should consider carefully, like your interest and passion, career goals, industry demand, cost, etc. This is the age of technology, and nowadays demand of software engineers is very high. However, I shall advise you to research the current trends and demand in the software engineering industry. From my side, I shall advise you to consider areas such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, data science, cloud computing, or software development methodologies like Agile or DevOps. 2. I am a biomedical engineer and a year ago I graduated, but I am unable to find a job in any field-related industry. I am feeling that I should change my field towards digital marketing. Which steps should I take first, and can you please tell me whether it is the right decision or not? Answer: As for whether it's the right decision to switch to digital marketing from biomedical engineering, it ultimately depends on your interests, skills, and market demand. But before making any decision, I shall advise you to seek for advice from your parents, loved ones, teachers, and also from the experts of both the industries. And if finally, you decide to switch from biomedical engineering to digital marketing, then some steps you shall require to take: do needful research about the field, assess yourself for it, connect with professionals, build your portfolio, seek for small roles and jobs to assess your skills and gain valuable experience. Use online platform effectively to build your profile. 3. Most people are suggesting that I should switch my job. Although I work in a reputable company and earn well, my colleagues suggest that switching jobs will help in my career growth. What do you suggest? Answer: Deciding whether to switch jobs is a big decision, and it's understandable that you might feel torn, especially when you're already in a reputable company and earning well. Your colleagues may have valid points about the potential for career growth elsewhere, but ultimately, the decision should be based on what's best for you and your long-term goals. Consider factors such as opportunities for advancement, the chance to learn new skills, the company culture, and how fulfilled you feel in your current role. Reflect on whether you see yourself growing professionally and personally in your current position, or if you feel stagnant. It may also be helpful to weigh the pros and cons of staying versus leaving, and perhaps even explore what opportunities are available in the job market. 4. How do I cope with rejection in my job application process and build confidence in my abilities? Answer: Navigating the job search journey can be filled with challenges, including facing rejection along the way. It's essential to recognize that rejection is a natural aspect of this process, considering you can only secure one job at a time. However, how you respond to rejection can significantly impact your job search and potentially prolong it. Keep in mind that companies, especially startups, may not always have a clear understanding of their hiring needs, leading to rejection for various reasons. If your skills don't align with their expectations, view it as constructive feedback to enhance and tailor your abilities to better match the positions you're pursuing. 5. The concept of prompt engineering is quite common nowadays. I wanted to ask if it can be applied to other fields of engineering as well, and to what extent are the chances that it will minimize human intervention? Answer: Prompt engineering is indeed becoming increasingly prevalent across various fields, not just limited to specific branches of engineering. Its application can extend to fields such as automation, artificial intelligence, and software development. The degree to which prompt engineering minimizes human intervention depends on the specific context and implementation. While it can streamline processes and reduce manual efforts, complete elimination of human intervention may not always be feasible or desirable, as human oversight and decision-making often remain crucial for ensuring optimal outcomes and addressing unforeseen circumstances. 6. How can I determine if my compensation as a civil engineer is fair? Answer: Dear, determining salary involves evaluation of your qualification and experience. You should also consider your job responsibilities, role, or position on which you are working. Look at your peers, friends and colleagues. This will also help you in this regard. Seek market and industry trends. In this way you can determine whether you are fairly paid or not. 7. Is design thinking in product engineering merely a myth, or is it actually feasible to implement? Answer: Design thinking in product engineering is not a myth, it is indeed feasible and widely implemented. Design thinking emphasizes understanding user needs, prototyping solutions, and iterating based on feedback to create innovative and user-centered products. Many successful companies employ design thinking methodologies to develop products that resonate with their target audience and address real-world problems effectively.